Yesterday, I was giving a talk at one of the UOB branch it was a physical seminar. And of course, we're giving a talk to the local audience that signed up for the seminar with UOB. And then I shared this latest chart. And then I posted this question in the form of this quiz. And basically, there's going to be 38 projects that will TOP this year. So I posted a question to ask the audience on the ground whether do they think will these 38 projects, which comprise of about 19,000 units being flooded into the market this year, will it potentially cause an oversupply in the resale market? And what do you think, Grace? Do you think it will cause an oversupply? Like, what do you think will be the outcome and ripple effect? Do you think all these owners will sell their properties in the resale market?
Okay, so it depends whether the owners, they have bought into the units for own stay or they're looking at it as an investment project, right? So if it's a pure investment, they're looking to hold for the entire TOP period, and for the entire BUC period, and then once it hits TOP, they are looking to sell. Then it could cause a increase in supply. But I do not think that all of these owners are purely that kind of investment types. There are actually many owners who have bought into these new launches project with the intention to stay or maybe rent out as a second property for investment, right? So of course, there are some groups that have bought into it that are maybe they are family types, family demographics, and they're renting now. This group will feel a pressure to sell their unit at TOP or even slightly before TOP, capitalize on the gains, and then move to their next property as a family. Yeah, so we do have clients like that. They are selling their properties once it's reaching TOP. They hope that it's gained 200-300 PSF, and then they want to let go and release their names from the project, and then also buy a unit that's for own stay.
Right.
But for certain families, they have actually bought into the new launches to live in it themselves, right? So when it comes to TOP, it is unlikely that they will let it go. Maybe they'll stay, they'll enjoy their new project for about 3, 4, 5 years, yeah. And then once they've enjoyed, maybe they might even rent it out, decouple, release one name, or by then they could sell. So I don't think that it will cause a vast oversupply in the market, but definitely these TOP projects will make the new launches pricing seem a little bit more attractive because the TOP projects will ask for slightly higher than they have bought.
Right, they won't sell cheap.
Yeah, they definitely won't want to sell at what they have bought at, right? So this will put a little bit of pressure on the new launch pricing, and then we'll have to see if there's a good enough disparity between the TOP and
in fact, your sensing is correct because when we saw this data, immediately we asked our PLB research team to dive deep into the sort of like the behavior of owners that has bought into TOP, that has bought into new launches over the past few years, and then what will be the behavior when it hits TOP. So these charts were fresh out of the oven. It just came out about 2 days ago, all right? And so basically these two charts, and if you look at them, we categorize them into the yellow box, which is the amount of percentage of units that was sold in the TOP year when they took keys. So let's say if, example, I took a key of my brand new launch that I bought maybe in 2015 and I took possession in 2018, what is the percentage of all these projects at TOP that year that is sold in this year, all right, in the TOP year? TOP year means immediately I take the key, I sell. And orange means I sell within the first 12 months of taking keys. I sold within first 2 years. And this basically was the result. So if you were to look at this, in the year 2020, 12.2% of people sold within 2 years. And then basically people who sold within the first year, they were a minority. It's about 5 to 6.5%. And if we were to take the totality, usually people that sells within the first 2 years, they are less than 20%. So which means that 8 out of 10 people, basically they hold on to the property and they don't sell. So your sensing is correct, because I think a lot of people that bought new launches, they actually have been waiting for 3 to 5 years, right? And then finally they got a key. They want to enjoy the new property. Yep. Even if they want to sell, I think they will be demotivated if the price is not correct.